Okay, so once again, good morning, grade 7, ST Alpha. Morning.
Good morning po.
Morning
Morning
po.
po.
Okay, so let's start.
Hello. Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to our quarter 4 virtual mathematics class. So are you ready to learn and have fun today? One more time. Are you ready? Okay, very good. So before we start, may I ask somebody to lead a prayer? Thank you so much.
Okay, so let's pray first, to be led by Sheila Marie Garbosa. Sige. Sheila Marie, can you lead?
Yes po.
Okay.
Our loving and generous God, we praise and thank you for the bountiful blessings you have given us. Thank you for giving us a mind that can know and a heart that can love. Thank you for giving us the chance to continue learning amidst the pandemic that had caused a lot of changes in our lives. We are sorry for the times we have failed you. We humbly ask for your forgiveness. Father, help us stay focused on our God. When learning becomes difficult, grant us the gifts of courage and enthusiasm. Grant us the grace to use our knowledge in making a difference into the lives of the people around us. All this we pray in your mighty name. Amen.
Hi, Sheila Marie Garbosa sa pag-lead ng ating morning prayer this Thursday. And always be thankful with God, no? Kasi may mga tao pa rin na nandyan at gumagabay sa atin. Okay, sila yung tutulong sa atin para makamit yung ating pangarap sa buhay. Okay, so with that, our learning objectives this day, can you read number 1? Yes, Princess, between.
Factor polynomials completely and accurately by using the GCF and common monomial factor.
Okay, next number 2, can you read? Yes, Johan.
Factoring difference of two squares.
Okay, next number 3, can you read si David?
Factoring perfect square trinomials.
Okay, very good. So these objectives now, we are going to determine the patterns. Okay, kailangan ma-recall po natin yung previous lesson about special product. Kasi pa-reverse ang gagawin natin today. This is a bridging for you for grade 8. Kasi ito yung first quarter lesson nila. Kaya dapat focus tayo today. Okay? So before we start, when you hear the word factoring, sige nga, you have to think first. Actually, there are a lot of method, no? Paano ba tayo magpo-factor? O ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng salitang factoring? Anyone? What is your idea about the word factoring or factoring polynomials? Yes, Sarina Metabilina.
Writing number or another mathematical object as a product of several factors, usually smaller or simple objects of same kind.
Okay, very good answer, no? So, tama yung kanyang sinabing definition of factoring polynomial. Sige nga, pakinggan ko, may iba pa bang definition na na-research? Anyone? Okay, so tama yun, no? Sige. Can you read first what is the definition? Yes. Janya Melis Florendo.
Factoring a polynomial is expressing the polynomial as a product of two or more factors. It is somewhat the reverse process of multiplying.
Okay, very good. So, eto din yung binanggit ni Sarina May, no? Pinaikli lang natin para mas summarize. So, kung babalikan natin yung quarter 2 lesson natin about getting the product of the polynomial, no? But this time, i-break down natin. Ibig sabihin niyan, hahanapin natin yung factors niya. Ano ba yung i-multiply ko to get this product? So, given na yung product, what are the factors? So, yun yung ibig sabihin ng factoring polynomials. Okay, so this time we are going to focus on 3 methods. Yung factoring common monomial, or that is the greatest common factor. We also have the difference of two square and the perfect square trinomial. Okay, so review muna tayo, no, during your elementary. So you already know how to find the GCF. Sige na, and what is GCF by the way? Yes, may I have si Jared.
Greatest common factor po.
Okay, very good. So yan yung acronym niya, or that is the greatest common factor. But we are going to give the definition. Ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng greatest common factor? Madalas natin sinasabi, no? GCF. Ano yung nakapaloob dyan? Johan?
The largest monomial that divides is a factor or each item of the polynomial.
Okay, very good. Exactly. So that is the definition. Timer. Sige, pakibasa muna natin. Can you read first? Yes. Si Kenneth Hart.
Refers to the common factor having the greatest numerical factor and with variables having the least degree.
Okay, very good. So, ito yun, no, binanggit rin natin ni Johan. No? So, you are going to identify the greatest numerical factor, but this time, include natin yung least degree. Remember, yung degree ng polynomial, yung pinakamababang exponent, ibig sabihin nun. So, yun yung kasama doon sa factor na common na ilalagay natin. Okay? So, first, you are going to determine what is the greatest common factor of 24 and 54. Sige nga, wala mo ng variable. You can do it mentally. Ano yung GCF ng 24? Rafael?
8 po ba?
8? Ang tanong doon, ang 8 po ba ay pwedeng pang-divide sa 24 at 54? Is it divisible by 8? Or that is the greatest? If not, you have to take another number. Yes. Machilinta natin.
6 po.
6. How did you get 6? Paano mo nalaman 6 yung GCF? What did you do? Tignan na natin kung paano yung proseso natin. Okay, tama yung sagot, no? 6. So, to show that, no, so you are going to factor out. Let's say this, meron tayong mga method sa elementary, no, yung factor 3, yung pababa siya na sanga-sanga. Okay? So, i-factor out natin para makita natin yung sagot na 6. Sige nga, you have to take the greatest common factor of 24. Can you give me the factors first? Anyone? What is the factors of 24? Ano yung dalawang number? Johan? Naka-close po yung microphone. Yes. Ano yung dalawang number? Pag minultiply po natin, 24 po ang product. Yun yung tawag doon, factors. Sige. Raven.
6 and 4 po.
Okay, very good. So, ilista mo siya. 6 times, tuldok na lang yan ha. Hindi siya x kasi variable. 6 times 4. How about 54? Ano yung greatest common factor niya, or that is the ano? Yes, Magdalene Tanare.
6 times 9 po.
6 times 9. Okay, very good. So meaning to say, balikan natin common. Ano ba yung parehas na meron sa 24 na factors tsaka 24? I mean 54. Johan.
6 po.
Okay, 6. Tama, no? Kaya ang sagot ni Madeline is correct. Ganun po ang pag-identify para malaman yung greatest common factor. Let's have another. But this time, meron siyang variable na. Okay. What is the common monomial factor? Okay, kapag meron na kasing variable, sasabihin na natin siyang common monomial instead of greatest common factor. Same lang po siya kapag binabanggit natin. Sige nga, can you give me first? What is common from this monomial? 8x cubed and 12x to the 5th power. Ano yung pwede pang divide sa 8x cubed na pwede rin sa 12x to the 5th? O dito muna kayo tingin sa 8 tsaka 12. What is the number being ano? Yes, Johan.
4 po.
4. Okay. So, correct. O, paano yan? Meron siyang x cubed tsaka x to the 5th. Ano yung pwede pang divide na pwede parehas dyan? Tama yun, no? 4 yung kanyang coefficient na common. O, any idea? Okay, so to find the GCF, you have to list first, no? I-factor muna natin yung 8x cubed. Okay, can you give me first the factors of 8x cubed? Yes, going back, Johan. Ano yung pwede pang divide sa 8x cubed? I mean, ano yung pwede i-multiply na kapag makuha yung product, babalik siya sa 8x cubed? Rafael.
4 times 2 po.
4 times 2. Okay, very good. 4 times 2. Kasi 8 na yon. Since may kasama x cubed, kasama po siya doon sa factor. Multiply yung tuldok na yan. Isulat mo lang x cubed. Pag multiply niya, 4 times 2 times x cubed, 8x cubed yun. What about the 12x to the 5th? Can you give me the factors? Raven.
4 times 3 times x, raised to the power of 5.
Okay, very good. So observe niya. So you have to write 4 times 3. Kasi 12 na yon. Since may x to the 5th, you have to copy x to the 5th. Okay, ngayon, ano yung meron dyan sa factors ni 8x cubed na meron din kay 12x to the 5th? Can you give me? Yes, Madeline.
4 po.
4. Okay, very good. So, kuhitan mo siya. Then, ano pa yung ating common kaya dyan? O anyone? Any idea? Balikan natin yung definition kanina. The common factor having the greatest numerical factor. Ito na yon, yung 4. Paano yan? Meron siyang variable. Anong sabi doon kapag may variable? With the variables having the least degree. Degree, hindi siya nadagdag. O, ano yung least degree ngayon dyan? Zach Andre.
Yung 3 po.
Or that is a
Cube po.
yes, okay. So, ibig sabihin nito, kasama po yung x cubed na yan. Kaya ang sagot po natin dyan sa GCF or common monomial factor is 4x cubed. Ang tanong, paano yun? X cubed, x to the 5th, hindi naman po sila magkaparehas or common. Okay, ganito po yan, no? From here kasi, pwede natin i-break down yung x to the 5th. Remember, this is a law of exponents. Do you remember? So, yung x to the 5th, you can write as x cubed times x squared. Okay? So, therefore, pag minultiply mo yan, using the power of a product, no? Copy the base and add the exponent. Kaya, babalik po siya doon sa x to the 5th. Kaya, meaning to say, common yung x cubed nila parehas. Nakuha po ba? Did you get?
Opo.
Opo.
Okay, so kaya 4x cubed po yung common monomial factor or GCF. Okay, let's have this one. Find the GCF of each pair of monomials. Sige nga, can you give me? Identify first. Sige, solution. You have to breakdown. Can you give me the factors? 3y raised to 4. Zach Andre.
3 times 1 times y raised to 4 po.
Okay, very good. So, 3 times, since ang 1 kasi, di ba, understood na siya na numerical. Pwede mo naman siyang ilagay, pero kung ganito, no need to write. Directly y raised to 4 na po agad siya. Okay, pwede rin ilagay yung 3 times 1 times y raised to 4 or no need to write 1 kasi same lang siya. What about the 15y squared? What are the factors? TV.
3 times 5 times y square.
Okay, very good. So you have to write 3 times 5 times y squared. Therefore, can you identify now the common or the GCF? Yes, Raven.
3y squared po.
Okay, very good. So common, tapos yung y raised to 4. Ano yun? Y raised to 4 or y raised to 2? Wait lang, hindi,
Y squared po.
Y is squared kasi least. Iba yung akin.
Squared.
Okay. So meaning to say, yung y raised to 2, ayan, kasama po siya. Therefore, that is now the GCF 3y squared. Okay, let's have another number 2. How about this one? Can you give me first the factors of 33x y raised to 4? Johan.
Ano po? 11. 3 times 11 times 3 po.
O, tapos, may kulang pa. What about the ano?
Tapos, x, y, raised to 4 po.
Okay, very good. So, ilista muna natin. 11 times 3 times x times, since dalawang variable yan, paghiwalayin natin kasi they are factors, times x times y raised to 4. Then, what about the factors of 22x cubed y squared? Can you give me, Rafael?
11 times 2 times
Yes.
times x cubed times y squared.
Okay, very good. So we have this 11 times 2 times x cubed times y squared. Therefore, can you identify now the common or the GCF? Yes, may I have C? Other hand? Yes, Johan.
11 x y ano po? Over 4 po.
Meron po bang over yung ating GCF? Okay, yung
Raised
ano?
to
Again?
raised to 4.
Okay. So tama no,
Raised to 4 po.
11, yan. Tapos since least degree, yung x cubed to, mas mababa ito. Kaya kasama si x, kasama si y squared. So therefore, our GCF is correct. Okay, 11xy squared. Okay, any questions so far? May tanong po ba before we do the factoring?
Siya naman.
Wala naman po.
At sige, factoring polynomial na tayo. Ito na yung talagaan natin. Okay, so balikan natin yung definition kanina. Pakibasa muna natin. Yes, si Princess Between.
Factoring a polynomial is expressing the polynomial as a product of two or more factors. It is what the reverse process of multiplying.
Okay, very good. So lagi natin tatandaan yan na i-break down po natin or the reverse process of multiplying. So first, we are going to discuss on how to find the factored form. Ito yung factored form ng alin? Ng binomial in the form of, okay, ito yon. Number one example natin, we are going to find the GCF or the discrete common factor. Can you identify first the GCF? Raven.
2x po, sir.
2x. Okay. Tama, no? Kasi divisible by 2, yung first term, tsaka second term. Since may x siya, mas mababa yung degree ni x dito sa second term. Kaya 2x ko yung GCF. Okay, very good. Therefore, what about the factored form? Ano yung term na pag minultiply ko, babalik po tayo sa polynomial dito sa given. O sige nga, can you give me? Kasi sabi dito, di ba, reverse process. Ano yung multiply ko to go back on the given polynomial? 2x squared plus 10x if the GCF is 2x. Sige nga, brainstorming. You have to think of that. I-breakdown natin. Sige. First, I'll give you. The first thing that you're going to do, you have to copy the given GCF. Tapos, pag sinabi factored form kasi, ano yung multiply ko? Kaya naka-parenthesis po siya. Ano yung nandyan sa term sa loob ng parenthesis? Okay, everybody. Ano yung operation na kabaliktaran ng multiplication?
Division.
Very good. Mag-divide po tayo ngayon. Okay, everybody, observe. If this is 2x, i-divide po natin yung first term by the given GCF. Everybody, ito yon. 2x squared divided by 2x. Sige nga, balikan natin. Remember, this is law of exponents, division. Okay? Division rule. Yes, Andre.
X pa?
Okay, very good. X na lang po yan. Okay, kasi remember, ang itsura po niyan, law of exponent, remember this, 2x squared divided by 2x. Kung naalala po natin, di ba? So, copy the base and then subtract the exponent. Naalala niyo po ba yan sa law of exponent? So, therefore, 2 divided by 2, cancel na po yan. Since meron tayong 1 sa exponent ni x sa denominator, you have to subtract. Kaya copy the base x, then subtract 2 minus 1 or simply x na siya. Kaya ito po yun. Okay? Let's have another. Sa second term naman tayo. Yes. Can you give me? Zach Andre, again.
Plus 5 po.
Okay, very good. How did you get 5?
Kasi po 2x times 5 po is 10x po.
Yes, very good. So, pwede yun, no? Yung isang technique, no? Ano yung multiply ko to get the 10x? Or i-divide mo, pwede rin naman yun, yung technique. Kaya that is simply, ang solution dyan, 10x divided by 2x. Since 10 divided by 2, that is simply 5. Okay, ilagay muna natin yung solution para makasunod po tayo lahat. And then since x yan, remember, yun yung same yung exponent, di ba? Makakancel na po yan. Kasi 0 na yung difference ng exponent. Kaya 5 po. Kaya therefore, x plus 5. Positive po kasi yung operation dito. Kaya plus 5 siya. I-check nga natin kung babalik ba yung 2x times x plus 5 doon sa given polynomial. Everybody, 2x times x. What is the product of this?
2x squared.
2x squared.
Good.
2x squared
Mali
po.
siya. Tama. How about 2x times 5?
10x po.
10x.
Okay, nakita ninyo, bumalik siya doon. Kapag hindi bumalik yan, ulitin natin. Ganun po siya yung factoring method. Okay, let's have another number 2. Okay, 8y cubed minus 24y squared. What is the GCF first? Okay. Tignan niyo muna yung common sa first and second term. Sheila Marie Garbosa.
8 po.
8, very good. O, since may kasama siyang variable, o ano sabi kanina? Least degree. O, ano yung GCF natin? Yes, can you add? Jared.
8y squared po.
8 again?
8y squared po.
Okay, very good. Tama, no? So, always remember kung ano yung exponent na mas mababa, yun po yung sasama natin sa GCF, kasi this degree. Then, we are going to identify the factored form. Okay. So, copy mo yung GCF niya, and then, lagay ka ng kulungan. O, yan yung mga term ko, no? Kulong-kulong. Okay? So, i-divide mo muna yung first term by the GCF. O, sige nga, can you give me? What is the quotient of 8y cubed divided by 8y squared? Erase ko to para makasunod. Yes. Sarina may tabilina.
Yung sagot po, 8y2 times y minus 3.
Yes, but what is the quotient first of this first term? Ito, 8y cubed over 8y squared. Kapag dinivide po natin yan, ano yung magiging first term natin sa parenthesis? Balikan natin. Sige, Sarina.
Y po.
Y na lang. Okay, very good. Kasi di ba, cancel na po yung 8. Cancel yung y square. Kaya since eto, remember, y cube, y square. Kasi remember, y 3 minus 2. Kaya magiging y na lang po yan. Okay? Kaya sulat mo yung y dito. Then, second term tayo. Dito na tayo. Can you give me? PB.
3 po.
What is the sign of 3? Ano po yung sign ng 3 natin?
Negative 3 po.
Very good. Negative. Since minus po ito, negative siya. Okay? Cancel na po kasi yung yung y square. Parehas sila ng degree. Okay? Let's have another number 3. How about this 45m raised to 7 plus 27m raised to 4? What is the greatest common factor first? Yes, Johan.
9.
9. Okay. Very good.
9 times m raised to 4 po.
Okay, very good. Correct. So, divisible by 9 and yung least degree niya is 4 yung m kasi yan. Okay? And then, you're going to find the factored form. Copy first the GCF. Then, lagay ka ng kulungan. Tapos, i-divide mo yung first term doon sa GCF. What is the quotient? Can you give me? Rafael.
5m cube po.
Okay. 5m
Cube.
Okay, very good. So, nakuha niya, no? So, since this is 45, pakita lang natin para makasunod po yung iba. M raised to 7 over yung GCF mo na 9. M raised to 4. Since divisible by 9, kaya say that is now 5. Then, subtract mo yung exponent na 7 doon sa 4 sa M mo. Kaya that is equal to cube. Okay. 5 tapos m cube. What about the second term? Okay, you give me Precious, kalimutan.
3m po.
3m. Okay. Tama. Kasi remember, 27 divided by 9 is 3. Since eto, wait lang ano yung narinig ko kanina? M ba or ano?
M po.
May kasama pa bang M?
Hindi na po.
Wala na po. Hindi na.
Sige, balikan natin.
Wala na po.
Bakit siya wala ng M?
Cancelled out na po.
Very good. Okay, kasi di ba remember, magkaparehas po kasi sila ng degree, kasi 4 minus 4, 0. 1 na yung value kasi 1 times 3. That is simply 3 na lang. Wala na po yung M. Okay, do you follow, class?
Opo.
Okay, pag minultiply mo to,
Opo.
babalik doon sa 45m raised to 7. Same with this times 3. Babalik sa 27m raised to 4. Okay? Let's have another. Ang tawag dyan ay common monomial factor. Yun yung first objective natin. Okay, dito na tayo. So what I have learned, sige nga, tingnan ko nga, yung iba, what is the common factor of the given 4x squared and 8x cubed? Raven.
4x squared po.
Okay, very good. So madali siya, no? The method niya is 4, then least degree x squared. What about number 2? What are the factored form of 7x minus 7? Johan.
X. X po, X.
X. Parang kanina yung may kulungan, tapos may dagdagan natin. Yes, can you add, Rafael?
X negative 1 po.
X negative 1. O ano po yung multiply natin sa x I think x minus 1 yun, no? What will be multiplied to x minus 1 to go back on the given 7x minus 7? May kulang po yung factored form natin. O, anyone? Ano yung common muna sa kanila? Ano yung meron sa first term at second term?
7 po.
7.
7.
Okay. Ano yung nasa labas ng parenthesis?
7 po.
7. Ano yung nasa loob ng parenthesis?
X negative 1 po.
Okay, very good. So that is correct. So therefore, 7, yun yung common. Yung factor niya is x minus 7. Kasi pag minultiply mo yan, babalik ka dito sa given. Okay, let's have number 3. Oh, what are the factored form of 2x raised to 6 minus 12x raised to 4? Yes, Raven.
2x tapos raised to 4 po. Then parenthesis 2x squared minus 6 po.
Again, yung nasa labas, 2x raised to 4
po.
Ano yung nasa ano yung first term sa parenthesis?
2x squared po.
2x squared.
X squared na po.
X squared. Okay, then second term.
Then minus 6 po.
Okay, very good. So that is correct. Okay, always remember, no, tignan niyo yung yung exponent. Kasi pag hindi hindi bumalik yung exponent yan, hindi na tama yung factor form. Kasi pag chinek mo yan, 2 times x, 2x raised to 4 times x squared. Okay, remember that. Copy the base and add the exponent kasi 4 plus 2, 6 yun. Same with this, 2 times negative 6. Negative 12. Tapos copy mo na lang yung x raised to 4. Hindi mo naman pwede i-add kasi wala siyang same variable. Okay? So, dito na tayo sa pangalawang objectives natin. Meron tayong tinatawag na difference of 2 square. Or now, factoring polynomial with difference of 2 square. Let's go back on the special product formula. Okay. Kung naaalala po natin yan, pakibasa muna natin what is the definition. Johan.
The difference of two square is the product of sum and difference of the terms.
Okay, very good. So now, can you recall what is the formula first to show the difference of two square? Ano yung special product na yun? Kung naalala po natin, sino po nakaka-review? Okay, actually, ito po yung formula natin, no? So, a square minus b square. Ano yung i-multiply mo para makuha po itong difference of two square? Yun yung lesson natin sa quarter 2. Sige nga, anyone? Ano yung pattern nito? Yes, Johan.
Parenthesis po, tas a plus b. Then a minus b po.
Okay, very good. Perfect answer, no? Na-recall niya. So, yan po yung tinatawag natin factored form. Ni difference of the square. So, actually, yung mga method dito, no? Pag ginamitan po ng FOIL method ito, or lattice method, okay, or distributive property, ito yung makukuha mong product. But this time, given yung product, hahanapin natin yung factored form. Ito yun. Okay? You can show this, same lang siya dito. Okay? Kaya a square minus ab plus ad minus b squared. Okay, remember, this is the first term, outer term, inner term, and last term. Okay? Therefore, what do you notice about the middle terms? Yung inner and outer. Kapag inad po natin yan, what will be the sum of these terms? O, anyone? Let's go back. Raven.
AB squared po.
Negative AB plus positive AB. What will be the sum?
0.
Okay, very good. 0 or simply cancel na po natin yan. Therefore, ano yung natira natin?
AB minus B
A squared minus B squared.
Okay, very good. Kaya dyan po na-derive. Ito siya yung formula natin. Ito, A squared minus B squared. So, ibig sabihin yan, ang gagawin natin ngayon, hahanapin natin yung factored form na to given yung product of the factors. Okay? So, ito na yun. Factoring difference of two squares given the polynomial natin in the form of, ayan, number 1, x squared minus 49. Okay, ang gagawin mo lang dyan, di ba ang technique doon sa special product? Okay, ito yung formula natin, no? So, given yung form na to, or this is the polynomial or difference of two square, you are going to find the factored form in the form of a plus b times a minus b. Ibig sabihin, ano yung multiply ko to get this x squared minus 49? Copy mo lang to, dalawang kulungan, tapos, yung first term, kunin mo yung square root. What is the square root of x squared? Sige nga, balikan natin. Raven.
X po.
X. Okay. Tingnan niyo yung pattern natin. Kailangan magaling kayo mag-observe. Since yung A natin, A, eto yon. Kasi eto yung A square. Ilalagay mo parehas, same siya doon sa first term. X. Kasi square root ng x square is x. Kaya x yan. Then, ano yung square root ni second term? On other hand, what is the square root of 49? Ano yung multiply mo na number? Yes. Rafael.
7 po.
7. Very good. So that is correct. Since ang given natin na sign dito sa factored form, plus minus, kasi remember difference of two squares. Okay? Tapos lagay mo yung 7 tsaka 7 kasi square root ni 49. Okay, check ngayon natin. Pag multiply natin yung first term, x times x, ano yung product?
X squared.
Okay, bumalik siya.
X squared.
Okay. Pag multiply ko naman yung second term, x times, 7 times negative 7.
Negative 49
Negative
po.
49.
Okay, hindi ko na multiply yung middle terms na outer tsaka inner kasi makakancel po yun. Magiging 0 siya. Do you follow? Okay?
Yes po.
Balikan lang natin. Next, number 2. 81 a raised to 6 minus 25. So first, gawa ka ng dalawang kulungan. Kapag difference of two squares, no, dalawang kulungan. Pag common monomial factor, isang kulungan lang. Okay? Then, you have to think, what is the square root of 81? Yes, Johan?
9.
9. Very good. So ilagay mo muna sa una. Tapos, paano yan? Meron po siyang variable na a raised to 6. Okay, ganito yan, yung technique dyan. Ang madali lang dyan, no? Get the square root. Okay. Di ba pag inisip mo, paano ko kukunin yung square root ng a raised to 6? Ang technique lang dyan, hatiin mo. Okay? Always remember, sa factoring difference of two square, lahat po ng exponent given is divisible by 2 or even number. Hindi pwede maging add yan. Kasi hindi mo pwede mahati. Ano ngayon yung kalahati ng 6 or that is the square root? Yes. Can you give me? Andre.
A raised to 3 po.
Okay, very good. So a cube or a raised to 3, kaya ilalagay mo siya dito. Okay? Kasi pag dinultiply mo yan, a raised to 3 times a raised to 3, copy the base, add mo, exponent, babalik dito. O, dito tayo sa second term. Ano po yung square root ni 25? Yes, can you give me? Yes, Johan.
5 po.
5. Okay, so, and don't forget the plus minus kasi yung po yung factored form ng sign. Okay, pag check natin yan, let's check no. 9 times 9, what's the product?
81 po.
81.
81A.
Then, copy the base 8, add mo yung 3 plus 3, kaya ito,
A raised to 6.
Very good. Same this, 5 times 5.
Negative
Negative
25.
25.
Okay, very good. So,
Negative 25.
let's have number 3. Let me level up yung difficulties. Okay, so since this is difference of two square, paano ko ba malalaman ang difference of two square? Kapag po yung given operation ng dalawang perfect doon sa first and second term is minus. Okay? Gawa ka muna ng dalawang kulungan mo. Square root natin yung first term. Yes. What is the square root? Raven.
2x raised to 5 po.
Okay, very good. Nakuha niya na agad. 2x raised to 5. What about the second term? Cassandra. Ano square root ni 64y squared? Yes, Rafael.
8y po.
Okay, very good. So 8y. Then copy the plus minus. Okay, by the way, class, no? Yung sign na plus minus pwede magkabaliktad ng pwesto. Same lang na yung result nun or babalik pa rin dyan. Okay? Hindi lang pwede maging parehas na sign yan. Kailangan isa negative, isa positive or plus minus. Okay? Therefore, that is correct. Pag chinek mo yan, babalik doon yung product ng 4x raised to 10. Same with this 8 times 8. Okay? Then, may kulang pa. Ano yung kulang kanina? That
Y.
is Y.
Y po.
Okay?
Y po.
Yeah. Okay, sige. We are going to identify the factors of the following difference of two squares. Number 1. Sige nga, tingnan natin. Yes. Pakinggan ko, Johan.
Ano po? X plus 1 ay 9. X plus 9 and x minus 9 po.
Okay, very good. So that is correct, no? Always remember times. Kung ano. Wait lang, ayaw lumabas. Okay? Yan. Okay, correct. X plus 9 times x minus 9. What about number 2? Can you give me the factors? Yes, Madeline Tanare.
2x plus 7 times 2x minus 7 po.
Okay, very good. Mahusay na kukuha nyo na yung pattern. Next, number 3, Rafael.
4x. Hindi. 4x plus 9y and 4x minus 9y.
Okay, very good. That is also correct. Basta tignan nyo lang, parehas yung number, nagkaiba lang ng operation or sign. Next, number 4. Can you give me? Andre.
5x minus 1 po, tsaka 5x plus 1.
Okay, very good. That is correct. Okay. Next, number 5. Johan.
9x plus 20y squared.
Tapos, may nadugtong.
Then ano po, yung 9 plus 20y squared.
Take note of that, no? Be careful. Yung may kulang siya, ano yung
Ay,
kulang?
negative.
Okay. Ano yung kulang doon? Si Johan, what is the missing ano? Sige. Can you add? Yes, Raven.
9x minus 20 squared po.
Okay, correct. Don't forget the variable kasi hindi siya babalik pag kulang po ng variable. Okay? So therefore, tignan nyo yung given. Tama ba yung given? I mean yung sagot dito.
Opo.
Mali.
Oh,
Wala
ano
pong,
yung kulang?
Wala pong
first
9.
term.
Walang
Again?
9 sa kabila.
Yes.
Kulang po yung
Walang
9.
first
Okay,
term.
very good observation, no? Nakita ninyo na walang 9. Kaya ganun, no, sa tanong, akala niyo tama, pero wala pala. Okay, kaya you have to be observant. Okay, so we are going to discuss now the last objective, perfect square trinomial or factoring perfect square trinomial. So, eto naman, babalikan natin yung special product natin sa quarter 2. Ito yung pag multiply mo yung dalawang terms, the product is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Ano yung factor nito? Ito yon. So remember this, a plus b times a plus b. Okay, paano ba malalaman kanina, di ba, difference? Ganito din yung given. Take note, pag parehas po na positive yan, hindi na po siya difference of the square. Perfect square trinomial or PST. Kasi parehas po positive yung given sa terms natin. Ibig sabihin yan, pag minultiply mo yan, gamitan mo ng FOIL method or lattice method or distributive, ang makukuha mong product niya, eto, by the way, no, pwede siyang i-represent as a plus b square. Ibig sabihin niya, parehas lang kasi yung kanyang binomial, kaya you can represent as square of a plus b. Okay. So, yan yung square of binomial. Okay, babalikan lang natin yung concept doon sa quarter 2, no? Yung kung paano in-expand po ito, square the first term, twice the product of the first and second term, and square the last term. Yun yung special product. Kaya nakuha po itong formula na ito. But this time, we are going to identify this factored form. Okay. Paano naman kung ang given natin sa perfect square trinomial is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square? Sige, can you give me? Ano yung ating factored form kaya kung ang given dito sa positive ay a plus b times a plus b? Ano kaya kapag negative? O anyone? Everybody observe. Kung ang given natin positive dito, ito yung factor niya. Ano kaya ang factor ni given dito kapag negative? Can you give me, Rafael?
8 minus b and 8 plus b po.
A minus b tsaka a plus b po ba? Ang tawag doon, difference of two square. Yun. Paano kung minus siya dito? Yes. Can you, Johan?
A minus B po and A minus B din po.
Yes, very good. Okay? Kaya be careful na kailangan makita nyo yung pattern. Ay, ito, difference to. Kasi minus yan, trinomial ito. Okay? Okay. Kaya A minus B times A minus B. Kapag naging plus kasi yung isa dyan, hindi na po siya PSP or perfect square. Difference of two square ang tawag doon. Kaya dapat makita ninyo yung kaibahan nila. Therefore, you can represent this as A minus B square. Kasi parehas siyang yung nasa binomial. Kapag in-expand po natin yan, yung square of binomial, ang result niya is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Yan yung ating given. Okay, punta na tayo sa ating factoring PST or perfect square trinomial. So given this, number 1. Okay. Para malamang perfect square trinomial, no? Ano yung kailangan kayang tignan mo dyan? Pansinin ninyo. Yes. Zach Andre, what do you notice?
Yung ano po, yung para pong yung squared po. So yung isa po is x po, tapos yung isa po is 5. Kasi po x times 5 po is magiging 10x po.
Okay, very good. Or simply, tama yung binanggit niya, no? Other idea? Sige, can you add? Raven.
Yung ano po, yung
Same sign.
square root po nung x squared and 25 po. I-multiply po sila kaya po sila naging 10x.
Again?
Yung square root po ng x squared and 25 po, multiply po sila kaya po naging 10x. AB po.
Very good. Okay, nakuha niya, no? So, kailangan pag minultiply mo yung square root ni first term tsaka ni last term, their product would be the middle term. Yun yung kapag nagpo-foil tayo. Okay. Ang kailangan mo lang pansinin dito sa factored square o perfect square trinomial, yung first term at last term. Kapag perfect square po yan, automatic siya ay PST. Kaya ang magiging pattern po natin dyan, dalawa lang yan, no? Either the positive, a square plus 2ab plus b square, or a square minus 2ab plus b square. Nagkaiba lang yung gitna doon sa middle term, sa second. Positive, negative. Ang magiging factor niya, either, ito, yung positive parehas or yung negative parehas. Tignan ninyo, saan kaya ang ating susundang pattern? Yung positive or negative? Zach Andre?
Yung positive po.
Very good, positive. Since the given is positive, ito, kaya susundan natin po itong positive. Lagay ka ng dalawang kulungan, tapos square root lang natin. Yung first, ano yung square root ni first term? Yes, Raven.
X po.
Okay, very good. Ilagay mo doon sa unahan, kasi ito yun, A. Okay, then, since plus yan, yung sign niya, ilagay mo plus. Then, tignan mo yung last term. Sa last term po, titignan na, ano yung square root ni 25? Fedora.
5 po.
Very good. So, di ba? Napakadali lang siya. Basta alam niyo yung pattern. So, i-check nga natin kung babalik ba doon sa trinomial na to or PST. X times X. What is the product?
X squared.
X squared.
Bumalik siya. Okay. X times 5.
25.
Then
5x. 5x.
5x.
Sige, isulat muna natin. X square yan. Tapos, plus 5x. Dito naman sa inner. 5 times x.
5x.
5x.
Plus 5x. Then yung last term. 5 times 5.
25.
25.
Very good. So since hindi pwede makancel yan kasi parehas po silang positive, what will be the sum of 5x plus 5x?
10x po.
Okay, very good. Kaya,
10x
bumalik
po.
siya doon sa x squared plus 10x plus 25. Okay, kapag hindi bumalik yan doon, you have to check your solution. Okay, let's have number 2. Okay. Ang tanong, ano yung square root ni first and last term muna? Sige nga, tingnan ko. Zach Andre.
Yung sagot po is 3y raised to 1 minus 1 po times 3y lang po minus 1 po.
Okay, very good. So meaning to say, 3y minus 1 times?
Times 3y minus 1 din po.
Okay, very good. Okay, nakita niyo yung pattern. No? Bakit minus po yung ginamit kong pattern doon sa factor 4? Balikan natin. Andre, bakit kaya minus?
Kasi po, negative po yung nandun po sa gitna.
Yes, yung given kasi ito yung pattern na susundan ninyo. Since negative yan. So, burahin ko to para makita niyo yung solution. Okay? So, meaning to say, gawa ka ng dalawang kulungan mo, tapos sundan mo itong pattern na to, square root mo yung first term, 9y squared, kaya 3y. May variable kasi siya, dugtungan natin. Okay, then, since minus yan, you have to copy. And then, ano square root ni 1, kaya ang sagot ay tama.
Yeah.
Pag check mo yan, babalik siya dito pag multiply mo or Pinoy method. Okay, so let's have number 3. Okay, paano kaya to? Get the square root first of the first and the last term. Pakinggan ko, Johan, what is the square root of the first term?
6x po. Then, plus 2y po.
Okay. Then, ano yung multiply ko doon?
Ano po, 6x plus 2y po.
Okay, very good. That is correct. So, ganun lang siya, no? Pag nakuha nyo na yung square root ng first and last, parehas lang siya dito sa isang parenthesis. Kasi they are perfect square trinomial. So, yan yung 6x. Since plus ito, yung given, kaya ito susundan mong pattern mo. So, yan. Lagay mo yung plus, tapos yung square root ni last term, that is 2. Since may y square, hatiin mo yung 2, kaya 1, 1 na, or simply y na lang yan. Okay? So, any questions so far? May tanong po ba sa ating PST or perfect square trinomial?
Wala naman po.
Wala po.
Wala na po.
Sige. So, what you have learned? Sige, can you give me the factors of the following polynomials? Number 1. Nako. Rafael.
3x plus 5. And 3x minus 5 po. 3x minus 5.
Times. Dalawang kulungan yun. Sige, can you add ano, Rafael?
Ay, tama. 3x minus 5 times 3x minus 5.
Okay, very good. So, nakuha niyo yung pattern, no? So, doblehin nyo lang yan kasi this is a PST, perfect square trinomial. Next, number 2. What is the, yes, Majeline Tanare.
2x plus 7 times 2x plus 7.
Very good. So, always remember, tingnan nyo lang yung first tsaka last term niya. Okay? Mag-iiba lang yung ano, operation, either plus or minus. Next, number 3. Can you give me the factor? Yes. Fedora.
X minus 1 times x minus 1.
Very good. Nakuha nyo na yung technique. So, that is perfect square trinomial. Next, number 4. Yes. Can you give me, Johan?
8x plus
Ano yung square root of 9?
3 po. Then times 8x plus 3 po.
Okay, very good. So, always remember since plus yan, plus plus. Okay? So, then, paano naman itong number 5? Ang tanong dyan, is it a perfect square trinomial? Yes or no?
No.
No po.
Okay, challenge ito, no? Paano ko mapapactor ito? Hindi siya perfect square trinomial. Meron kayong step na unang gagawin before you do the factoring. Ano kaya yung step na yun? Sige na, isipin niyo muna. What do you notice about the first term, second term, and the last term? Ano kaya ang napapansin niyo dyan? Yung 3, 30, tsaka 75. Tignan natin.
Divisible po sila sa 3.
Very good. Therefore, para maipalabas natin yung perfect square trinomial, what are you going to do to the first, second, and third term? Yes, Zach Andre.
I-divide po sa 3.
Very good. Okay? I-divide natin sila parehas sa 3. Okay, therefore, ang magiging itsura ngayon natin, dito ko sulat 3 divided by 3 cancel na yan. Kaya matitira doon ay x squared.
X squared.
Okay, very good. O, dito sa second term, negative 30 divided by 3. What is the quotient?
Negative 10x.
Negative 10x po.
Okay, very good. Negative 10x. O, 75 divided by 3.
25.
Okay, very good. Plus 25. Okay. Ang tanong, perfect square na po ba siya? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes po.
Yes
Very
po.
good. Kasi yung first term at last term, they are both perfect square. Then, you can now identify ano ang yung factors. 4. Yes. Can you give me now, Rafael?
X minus 5 times x minus 5.
Okay, very good. Since meron tayong 3 kanina na pinag-divide, which is common, kasali po siya sa labas. Huwag pong tatanggalin yung 3 na to. Kasi pag multiply mo ulit ito yung x plus 5 times x plus 5, ito yon. Tapos pag multiply mo yung perfect square trinomial na to doon sa 3, babalik po dapat doon sa given na 3x squared minus 30x plus 75. Okay? Nakasunod po ba tayo?
Opo.
Okay, very good. So with that, hanggang dyan lang muna tayo. Tutuloy natin next meeting. Yung other factoring pa, yung mas marami, difficult ano. Okay, with that, ito yung quiz number 2 ninyo. It's all about factoring, yung CMF, DTS, PST. Okay, at least 35 no over 35. I mean 35 over 50. Okay, your performance task. Wait lang. Okay. Oh, wala pala kayong performance task, hindi ako nag-prepare. O sige.
Yun.
O, wala kang performance task. O sige. You have
Thank you po. Thank you, sir.
Oo. Hindi na ako prepare. Next week na lang. Sige. So, ipopost ko to bukas ng 7 o'clock for your asynchronous. Okay.